Hi, welcome to YTC. I'm Teacher Christine. This is the next video after the introduction video to pronouns. Okay? In this video, we're going to talk about nagsasalita as panauhan, unang panauhan, all right? Which is nagsasalita. Okay? So, unang panauhan is first person. Okay? And it means the speaker or nagsasalita. In this video, I will present to you the pronouns under the first person. So, if you are the speaker, okay, point your hand pointing to yourself, all right? So, you're the one speaking, nagsasalita, unang panauhan, and the pronouns or panghalip sa unang panauhan na isahan, okay? And mga panghalip sa unang panauhan na nagsasalita na maramihan. Okay. So, when you say nagsasalita, isahan, all right? The best thing to do is to put your hand on your chest and say ako. Right? So, ako is the panghalip na isahan, only one, you're only one, right? So, ako, and then ko, and then akin. Right? So, when these pronouns are used, ako, ko, and akin, all right, then it means that you're substituting for yourself, for your name. Okay? So, ako, ko, and akin, okay? Unang panauhan, nagsasalita, isahan. Okay. Now, let's move on to dalawahan or maramihan. So, two or for many. Okay. So, there are two kinds in Filipino. There are two kinds of pronouns, right? For nagsasalita, okay, ng maramihan or dalawahan. Okay. Why is that? Because the first set over here, okay, so you say kami, namin, and amin. Okay? So, kami, namin, and amin. Remember the panauhan, okay? Unang panauhan, ikalawang panauhan, ikatlong panauhan. So, unang panauhan, marami. Okay? Maraming nagsasalita. Kami, namin, and amin are pronouns, okay, that tell you maraming nagsasalita, okay, but the listener or the person spoken to or pinag-uusap, kinakausap, all right? So the listener or the kinakausap is not included. Okay? So if I had several people behind me in this camera, okay, in this video, those people behind me, yung mga tao sa likod ko, I can say together with them, kami, namin, and amin. But you who are watching the video, ikalawang panauhan, meaning you're the listener, okay, or yung nakikinig or kinakausap is not included. So, kami over here. So, from ako, kami over here. All right? You see, my hands are not including you. So, when you say kami, namin, and amin, okay, hindi kasama, not included, ang nakikinig. Okay? Hindi kasama ang kinakausap. Alright? So, kami, namin, and amin, okay, the gesture is to me backwards. Alright? So, hindi kasama, not including yung nakikinig or yung kinakausap, which is yung ikalawang panauhan. The listener or the person spoken to is not included. Okay? So, in other books, the explanation for kami is we minus the listener. All right? We minus the listener. All right? So, another we, okay, another we, so tayo, natin, and atin is also we in English. Alright? So, tayo, natin, and atin, okay, also mean we or us in English. However, okay, let me just give you the context again. So, tayo, natin, and atin, unang panauhan, maraming nagsasalita. Okay? So, unang panauhan, maraming nagsasalita. This time, all of us. Okay? When you say tayo, natin, and atin, alright, that means it includes you. Alright? It includes you, the listener. So, tayo, natin, atin, this time, kasama, okay, kasama ang nakikinig. Okay? Or kinakausap. Okay? So, that means tayo. Okay? Tayo. So, I'm talking to you. When I say tayo, you included. And whoever is with you. Alright? So, the best example would be all the people inside your room. Okay? If you're talking and you're talking with someone, you are also including all the people in the room together with you. Alright? So, you have to remember that in Filipino language and grammar, alright, it is unique to understand, okay, the difference between kami, namin, and amin, okay? Maraming nagsasalita, okay? But the person who is listening is not included, right? Therefore, the other one is maraming nagsasalita, okay? Tayo, natin, and atin. But this time, it includes all the person, okay, inside the room, and of course, the listener. Okay? So, when you say tayo, natin, and atin, okay, it is we, including everyone in the room. Alright? So, I hope you got something from this video. We will move on to the next video, which is about ikalawang panauhan and kailanan. Thank you for watching. Until next video.